Hello, this is the demo for WeaveVPN, OpenVPN without headaches. This was our project that we did with the company Cybrant to create software-defined networks utilizing OpenVPN. For this demo, and for the sake of time, I will show the front-end portion for Cybrant employees. So right now, I'm signed in as an admin, and as an admin, I have access to the networks management, user management, and a couple of REST API documentation as well. So once I go into Manage Networks, I'll be able to create my own custom network. Alright, so that is created. And once I go into it, this is where the magic behind the SDN is done. And so essentially the way it works is you have organizations that house multiple server groups that have their own individual connections that you can configure. And then afterwards, you'll be able to download a file that'll be able to be sent over to customers to download OpenVPN on their system with the different configurations that we've made in order for them to be able to use the SDN system. So right now I'm going to create an organization. I'm going to actually create two of them. Alright, so I got my two organizations created, and so now it's time to put some server groups into them. So I'm going to create a server group. I'm going to house this one into cloud domain and give it an upper and lower IP range. Alright, now I'm going to create a second one and put it in the other organization that I created. Alright, so I got the two organizations housing two separate server groups, so they and with their own lower and upper IP range. So now it's time to go to the connection rules. And so here I can specify how the direction of the connections are going to be. If it's going to be unidirectional, so one talks to the other, but they can't talk to each other. Well, one goes to the other, but the other can't go back to the other one. Or I could just make it bidirectional, so they both be able to talk to each other. So in this case, I'm just going to do a bidirectional connection for them. And I'd specify the organization and then the server group in that organization. Okay, yep. So since it's bidirectional, they both be able to communicate with each other. But if I wanted to make a unidirectional one, I could. So only the group A would be able to talk to group B, but group B can't talk to group A. And this time I do server domain instead. And then switch it up a little bit. Yeah, so that could be made too. So there's multiple different ways that can go for the connection rules. Alright, and then lastly, they'll be able to download the package, and then this will house the script that will be sent to the client for them to install OpenVPN on their system and get all configured to be able to use the SDN system itself. So that's how that works. If I go back to the dashboard page, since I'm a manager, I'm not a manager, but an admin, I'll be able to, add new users, update existing users. Actually, no, not delete, but update. And as a regular user, you can pretty much do everything on here except for be able to edit the networking system. So they'll be able to see, the actual networks that they have, how many organizations are in that one, and the server groups, but they won't be able to actually edit them because they're just a regular user. All right, and so that's about it for this demo. I hope you guys enjoyed it.